Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. For day 3, we will focus on the square knot. To make a square knot, you will use 4 pieces of rope. With the outside left piece of rope, make a symbol 4. With the outside right piece of rope, bring it in front of the 4, then underneath all pieces of rope and up through the loop in the 4. Repeat that same process, but this time start with the outside right piece of rope. You have just made one square knot or 2 half square knots. What I like about the square knot is that it holds its shape really well and you can make it essentially anywhere you want on your piece of work. You can make some really neat and intricate designs just using square knots. I'll show you how to make this knot again using the middle 4 pieces of rope, then we'll change up the knot a little bit. So what I mean by that is we're still going to be making a square knot. We are just going to be starting with the outside right piece of rope instead of the outside left piece of rope. This is going to change the way that the square knot looks. So make sure you still alternate and do that 4 on the left side for your second section. You can see the difference in the knot here and here as well. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I'll be showing you how to make a variety of knot patterns with the square knot. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.